Now the next is central flow type surface condenser. In central flow condenser, the steam enters at the top of the condenser, it flow in the downward direction. In this type of surface condenser, the suction pipe of the air extraction pump is provided in the center of the tubes. Next, these are the tubes. So, at the center of these tubes, air extraction pump is provided. So, at the center of the condensing cell, suction is created or vacuum is created. So, the steam flow due to this placement of the suction pipe in the center of the tubeness, the exhaust steam flow radially inward over the tubes toward the suction pipe. The condensate is collected at the bottom of the condenser and pumped to the hot valve. This is the general working principle of the central flow type surface condenser. And the next is evaporative type surface condenser. Evaporative, the principle of evaporative type condenser is when a limited quantity of water is available. When a limited quantity of water is available, its quantity needed to condense the steam can be reduced by causing the circulating water to evaporate under a small partial pressure. In evaporative surface, you can see this is the evaporative surface condenser. In evaporative surface condenser, the steam enters at the top of the condenser as the steam enters at the top of the condenser in a series of pipes over which a film of cold water is falling. These are the grilled pipes over which a film of cold water is falling. As you can see the water coming from here, and as water passing through these nozzles, this water falling into these grilled pipes. At the same time, the current of air is made to circulate over the film of water. As the air circulates over the water film, it evaporates some of the cooling water. As a result of this rapid evaporation, the steam circulating inside these tubes gets condensed. Remaining cooling water that left is collected at an increased temperature and reused. So this is the general working principle of the evaporative surface condenser. Now the next is inverted flow type, regenerative type. In inverted flow type, condenser has the air suction at the top. The steam after entering at the bottom rises up and then again flow down to the bottom of the condenser by following a path near the outer surface of the condenser. In regenerative type condenser, surface condenser, this type is applied to condenser adopting a regenerative method of heating of the condensate. So these are the classification of surface condensers. Now next we will discuss about the vacuum efficiency, condenser efficiency and vacuum in the condenser.